What's up, YouTube? Zoridius here with a how-to tips and tricks for Valheim bosses. I got no more bubble. Valkyrie sees me. Oh my! Oh! Mistakes were made. Mistake.
Eikthyr.
The first boss you come across is Eikthyr. You can find him in the very first forest biome. You can use bow and arrows, and it is best to use fire arrows when fighting him. Some of the attacks are lightning bolts in a straight line from his antlers, which looks really cool, and an AoE lightning bubble around him that will knock you back. He also does a charging ram that will knock you back. For this being the very first boss, he is really fun to fight, and it sets the stage for the rest of the bosses throughout Valheim.
The Elder.
The Elder can be found in the dark forest biome. His biggest weakness are fire arrows. You can prep the fight by digging a hole under the platform or just use the pillars. His attacks include AoE casted vines that come up from the ground and whack the crap out of you. Then he'll throw projectile thorns at you. Keep in motion and hide behind the pillars, and this boss should not be too much to handle. You be careful, the vines can get you behind the pillars, so if he spawns vines around you, run to another pillar. This is another really fun boss, just like most of them, and we'll get to why most of them.
Bonemass.
Bonemass is arguably one of the hardest bosses in Valheim, especially before the updated bosses. You can find him in the swamp biome. He is weak to frost arrows. If you're feeling courageous, you can run up to the mountains and grab you some frost glands from the drake. You can prep this fight with a high vantage point and just rain down arrows. Some of the attacks that he likes to do is he casts an AoE poison gas around himself. It hurts a lot. He also likes to throw blobs and skeletons at you. You will have to fight them off while you're trying not to die by him and his poison.
Motor.
Motor can be found in the snow biome, aka the mountains. Fire arrows are your friends with this one, obviously because he's a frost dragon, right? Some of the ways that you can make this fight a little better for yourself is dig a hole under the platform and use it as protection, or build some earth pillars so that you can hide behind. What are you hiding from? He has a nasty little ice breath. He does wide arm swings to punch you in your face. A good idea for this fight would be to have frost resistance potions.
Yagluth.
Yagluth was by far my favorite boss of all 7 bosses. You can find him in the plains biome. He does not like frost arrows. They are better than obsidian when it comes down to damage. Some of the attacks that he likes to do is a fiery AoE that lingers around, and if you run through it, you will take massive amount of damage. He likes to cast meteors from the sky that explode upon impact, and he also has the nasty little beam of fire breath. It would be a good idea to bring you some fire resistance potion, and I hope you enjoyed this fight as much as I did, because this was my favorite.
The Queen.
The Queen is the worst boss in the game. I have it in my notes with the exclamation point that the Queen is the worst boss ever, just like the Mistland. You can find her in the mist biomes. Some of the attacks that she likes to do are go underground and then pops back up and bite you. Then she likes to spew baby skewers with a knockback, and then she has this raging charge attack while having to deal with the mist in the sky. There is a non-stop secret spawn.
Fader.
Fader is the final boss currently, and he is located in the Ashlands biome. Our preferred method of attacking was with the vine staff. That worked very well for us. Some of the attacks that Fader likes to do is a massive AoE fire and spikes that you have to run around and trying to find open pockets to not die. Fader also has green fire breath that he shoots into the air and lands all around him. The AoE fire spikes move around and create small open pockets, so you have to keep moving. because if you think you're safe, you're not. Good idea would be to bring some fire resistance potions. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and join me again trying not to die. Check out the videos on the screen, support the channel in the descriptions below.